So, let me ask you, do you want to earn additional income? Do you want to learn how to get paid just by listening? Yes, you read it right, just by listening. If the answer is yes, then this video is a must-see for you. Imagine earning up to $150 per day simply by doing the most basic thing imaginable. There are already a lot of people doing this profession, and it's been really successful for them. Don't you think it's your turn? In today's video, we'll show you exactly how and what you'll need to do to be able to start earning just by listening. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how and what you'll need to do to be able to start earning just by listening. We're going to guide you through today's entire technique step by step so that you don't get lost or confused. This method is completely free, so you won't have to pay any fees or put any money into it. It's also available in the majority of countries, but the only way to tell for sure is to try it out for yourself. We've said this before and we'll say it again. There's no harm in trying. Try it out for yourself to see if this strategy works or not. The way of today is as simple as breathing. The only difference is that you are making money. This strategy will be excellent for generating extra revenue and supplementing your other sources of income because it will provide you with a reasonable quantity of extra cash. So you're not losing any money. To avoid being confused, make sure you watch the entire video from beginning to end. Make sure you don't skip forward so you don't miss any key elements, since if you do, you're more than likely not to receive the outcomes of what you want. Before we get right in today's video, if it's your first time on the channel, welcome to Money Short channel. On this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be part of this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell next to it to be the first to know when a new video is uploaded. Let's jump straight into the video without further ado. Today's method is called Screeby, and you may access it by typing screeby.com into your browser right now. As you can see, this is the transcription website that's going to pay you 10 cents to 80 cents per minute of transcription. Now we want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and select Jobs from the drop-down menu. This is where you should be right now. As you can see, these are the fundamental talents you need to work as a subscriber. You must have great communication skills, be fluent in spoken or written English, and be able to understand American, British, Australian, or Indian accents. Now, if this concerns you because you believe you lack one of these needed talents, don't worry, we've already planned a solution for you. So sit back and relax while watching the rest of the video to learn the entire step. So you'd have to transcribe audio files into text, check audio transcripts for accuracy, double check that the transcript matches the audio, analyze the spoken audio, and spot contextual errors. You must also correctly identify and label each speaker in the transcript, as well as correct any spelling, punctuation, or grammatical errors. Those are the abilities you'll need, as well as the obligations you'll have to assume after you've signed up for this site. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and tell us what you like about this channel so far. Let's move on. It's time to create a free account. So go ahead and click sign up as a transcriber right here and it will take you to this page. So enter your first name, last name, email address, and password twice. Then double check that your account type is transcriber. Verify that you aren't a robot and click sign up. Before you go any further, have a look at this. Signing up is the first of the 3 steps to becoming a transcriber, which we've already accomplished. Then, you need to set up a PayPal account. As we've already mentioned in the past, PayPal is available in 200 countries at the most. So just make yourself a PayPal account so that you can cash out your earnings, which is very important, and then take the transcription task. That concludes the 3 stages of becoming a transcriber on this platform. Here's a quick rundown. Okay, it's a job that can be done from home, so you can work whenever you want between $5 and $25 per hour. There are only short files, so it will only take you 10 minutes or less. Then there's the 2-hour typing session. You can acquire a free automated transcript for each file to save roughly 60 seconds of typing time. So it's like earning 10 cents for those that you complete automatically. So you just need to correct the punctuation marks, some grammar mistakes, so you don't need to manually type it all down. However, if you want to take on the 80 cents per minute transcription, you'll have to listen to and type everything down word for word and then double check the grammar among the other things. That's all there is to it. You get rewarded for good achievement as well. You decide to work as a proofreader. After that, you can earn a $5 monthly bonus for every 3 hours you finish. So let's say you've done 3 hours of work already. Then that's $5 on top of how much you've earned on those 3 hours. And every 3 hours, you earn $5 again. So it's like you have extra money. There are no contractual responsibilities, monthly commitments, or withdrawal limits, and no files are assigned. You get to see and select you want to work on, so you can practically do whatever you want and earn based on how much work you actually put in. So you won't have to worry about not being paid for the work that you accomplish, since everything you do will be compensated. Let's take a brief look at Google Docs right now. With this, you won't even have to type anymore, so you can easily let Google Docs just to listen to you, and it will type down word for word whatever the audio is saying, whatever you have to transcribe. Simply make sure you're on Google Docs, then click on Tools, then select Voice Typing, then play the audio you intended to transcribe. And Google Docs should take care of the rest. All you have to do now is wait, and the audio will be transcribed, and that's the manual method. Of course, that's just a little trick that we've learned and we've tried. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. If you haven't yet, then hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Let's keep going. We indicated before that we found a means to get around not having decent communication skills, not being fluent in English, and so on, right? So that's what we're going to talk about right now. Now you're supposed to be on the same platform. And aside from Google Docs' ability to convert speech to text, I believe it's a really fantastic platform. Google Docs also proofreads for you, so you've already converted speech to text, and it's already laid out for you. And when you highlight the grammatical, spelling, and punctuation issues, whether in blue or red, they are highlighted. Basically everything, and you can easily correct all of the highlighted phrases or sentences just by clicking on them. Specific corrections will appear in a small pop-up above the word. Just click on those modifications. That includes the corrections. When you click on them, they will be automatically corrected. If the errors are evident and easy to spot, Google Docs will sometimes stop highlighting them. When you press the space bar after you've finished entering a word or a series of words, they are immediately changed. That's all there is to it. There's no need to emphasize it anymore. You can finish up the sign-up process as per instruction and then proceed to earn just by listening. And that's it for today's video. Make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.